Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I'm 56. I'm in the middle of my makeup routine, and I wanted to share with you the one thing that you need to have in your makeup bag if you want to wear less makeup. That one thing is a bronzer. I think most of us, when we think of bronzer, we think summertime. But I'm going to tell you, the older I get, the more color I lose from my face. Things are sagging. We'll talk about that another time. But when we spend a little time in the sun and we get that healthy glow, we tend to think, oh, okay, well, maybe I can skip makeup. That's what a bronzer will do year round. Today I want to show you a few of the ways that I like to use bronzer that do not include, oh, you just got back from the beach. Oh, were you on a cruise? We're not even talking about that. I have no color on my face. The only thing that I have done is I have applied my foundation and my concealer. So blank slate. So you can really see the power of applying a bronzer. And the one that I'm using today is the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear from L'Oreal. This comes in different shades, which I love. And one pan of this will last you forever. And I am using light, and I'm using a big old fluffy brush, but I also will use an eyeshadow brush. And this probably goes without saying, you probably already know this, but the more color we have, and I don't mean a lot of blush or a lot of eye makeup, the more color, the more healthy glow that we have, the more youthful and the healthier we're going to look. That's the whole point here. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take my fluffy brush, I'm going to apply some bronzer to the brush, and I'm just going to go across my cheeks and across my nose. Now I just have a good, healthy base. If you want to apply some to your forehead, you absolutely could. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Now my lights are bright in here, so if you're thinking, I don't see much, that's kind of the point. We're not looking for sunburned. Oh, you just got back from a cruise. We're just looking for a healthy base so that when we apply makeup, we think, I don't think I need a whole lot. Now I'm going to add a little on my décolleté. Not only does that help my face and my chest match, but it also helps just a little to hide some of those telltale age spots that I have. Now, if you've been here before or you follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Just Doing My Best, you know I share a lot of makeup tips over there. And I'm always saying, I don't love a lot of eyeshadow. I don't buy a lot of eyeshadow palettes. I use a lot of bronzer in place of eyeshadow. I'm going to go above my lashes with this bronzer color. It gives my eyes some dimension and some interest without trying too hard or spending a lot more money. Now, here are two ways that you can use this bronzer to line your eyes. First, we're going to use just the edge of this eyeshadow brush. Just going to go right below my eye on the lash line and right above. Now I'm going to take one of these, they call it a pencil brush, and I will link the one that I'm using down in the description. And you can do it one of two ways. If you want to just dip it in, just like I did the eyeshadow brush, and just line your eyes, absolutely could do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wet this with a setting spray, then dip it in the bronzer, line my eyes, and it makes it just a little bit darker, giving my eyes even more definition. One of the other ways that you can use a bronzer is as a contour. Now, keep in mind, bronzer and contour are different. Contour tends to be a little bit more gray cast to mimic a shadow, making you look a little bit thinner. Bronzer tends to be a sunnier color, a warmer color, just to mimic the sun. So they're not the same thing, but we're trying to make life simple here, right? So I'm going to take a little bit of this, and go right underneath my chin. I'm very double chinish these days. I added a little bit of blush, but you don't have to. I also added mascara and something on my lips. But can you see how just adding a bronzer to your makeup bag can help you save money, save time, save just space in your makeup bag? You almost get a your skin but better, a no makeup look just by using bronzer. I hope this was helpful. If it was, I hope you'll like and subscribe and watch this video next for another quick makeup tip.